The United Democratic Party UDP Mawlai Circle had taken out a rally on foot on the 25th of January 2023 under the leadership of the party's candidate from Mawlai constituency, T Sawkmie. The rally, which started from the residence of the candidate at Mawlai Nongpdeng, Shillong, culminated at the Mawlai Mawroh Grounds. The president of the UDP, Metbah Lyngdoh, had also participated in the rally along with supporters and party workers. While addressing the gathering, T Sawkmie said that the rally was intended to convey a message to the public that the UDP still has the strong support of the people and that if given a chance to form the government, the party will focus on getting rid of the various problems and challenges faced by the people of Meghalaya.
Kita ngayo